Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on REALME GT7 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search and then click install. And click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permissions. Then you have to select AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Now click back and click back again and click start. And as you can see right here there is my Chat GPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.